Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. So someone asked me to take a look at Impact Silver and compare it to Avino Silver. As you can see, they have comparable market cap. This is 100 and this is 70 million. So it's a bit lower than Avino Silver, but there is a huge difference between those two companies. Huge. And I'm going to show that in some numbers. So to recap with Avino Silver, market cap 100 million, PE ratio of 14, very normal. Price to book is at book value 1, so very cheap. AISC of 17, it has earnings and huge amounts of silver ounces, 200 million, okay, 200 million. Production is about 3 million per year of silver, and valuations are fair value with a PE of 14. So this is a normal silver company with high leverage to silver. So if we take silver, for example, to 30, you can see easily this can double. If silver goes to 30, let's say 40, then ASM can go from 100 to 400. So that's a four-fold. So this is the leverage potential of Avino Silver. Okay, fourfold if it goes to 40. Now let's take a look at Impact Silver. So the equity, let's start with that, is 50 million. Market cap is 80 million. So we have already a price to book value that's higher than ASM. ASM was at 1, and here we are overvalued compared to book value. That's the first thing. Next thing is the net earnings, 1 million per year. That's nothing. ASM has net earnings of 10 million, probably 10 right now. So that's 10 times as much earnings as Impact Silver. And that reflects on the PE ratio 100. This is completely overvalued. Okay. Okay, the company has some cash because they could probably take some cash from investors, because apparently a lot of investors like this company with this market cap. So they could dilute some shareholders, get some cash, and do some drilling. Ebitda is only 3 million. So price to EBITDA is 24. While here we have an EBITDA of around, this divided by 5 is, I think, 20 to 30 million EBITDA. And this is only 3 million. So a tenfold difference between EBITDA. Still, the market cap is almost the same. So what do you think about that? Then we look at the resources. So the 43101 resources are only 5 million. ASM has 200 million. So how much fold is that? Like 60 fold, 50 fold more resources than Impact Silver. Mine life is much higher. So mine life of 60 years, let's say 50 years. So they can easily increase production with this mine life. Can double production, even triple production, and you still have a lot of mine life left. This company has only 4 million of resources. So that's a mine life of 4 years compared to a mine life of 50 years. So this is not even in the same league. Production, 600,000 of silver. And we have here 3 million production. So this is 5 times more production with Avino Silver than Impact Silver. And as you can see here, production has never gone above 1 million. Avino silver is already at 3 million. So even on production level, this company is completely overvalued. Ebitda valuation. This is something that I always do. Production times silver price minus AIC times 5. My valuation gives this 15 million. 15 million should be the market cap, not 80 million. So this is more than 3 times, 4 times overvalued. Even if you put 30 silver, then it's still 30 million market cap. And if you put 40 silver, like I did with Avino, then you'll get 60 million market cap, which is still overvalued. So, I mean, if silver goes up, this company would still be overvalued at $40 silver. While here, you get a fourfold increase in the price of Avino silver. So this is completely overvalued. Let's put it back to 24. Should be worth 15 million. So, okay, let's take a look at the balance sheet. They have a lot of cash. Okay, that's good. And other than that, they have property, plant, and equipment, and some exploration assets. These things I don't pay a lot of attention to because their earnings are still nothing. Okay, earnings 1 million. So I don't pay a lot of attention to these numbers here. This company cannot make a lot of money. Okay, revenues, you can see that here. Net income is only 200,000. Times 4 is maybe 1 million. And in the other years, they had losses. And that's because the AISC is 19. 19, okay? AISM has AIC of 17. So this is even cheaper costs than this company. So on all metrics, Impact Silver is very bad. So why do people like this company? Why is everyone buying Impact Silver? So I know they had some good drill results on their properties. It was high grade, so I think the upside could be in the exploration. There is exploration potential. But on the financial side, this is uninvestable for me. They also don't report AISC numbers, which I also don't like. So they're just being non-compliant with the AISC measures, while all the other silver miners report on this measure. So that's also something that I don't like. So that's a conclusion. Avoid Impact Silver and buy Avino Silver. Hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one.